And the rope. Early lead is taken by the outstanding favorite Antoine Diugo by 4.5 lengths. Guillermo running in second by the rail. And Dorser on the outside. Dugus Paramore. And Elusive Win is moving up on the inside. The mid-back stretch, it's still Antoine Diugo by Alain Caneha, followed by Guillermo in second. And Endorser running in third by 5.5 lengths. Elusive Win and Dugus Paramore. And rounding the far turn, it's Guillermo by the rail. Antoine Diugo moving up once again on the outside. It's Antoine Diugo by Alain Caneha, followed by Guillermo in second. And closing in third is Endorser, Elusive Win, and Dugus Paramore. And into the home stretch, it is still the outstanding favorite, Antoine Diugo, followed by Guillermo by the rail, and moving up on the outside is Endorser. At the top of the stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Antoine Diugo in the lead, followed by Guillermo by the rail, and Dorser on the outside, Dugus Paramore, and Elusive Win. And finally, at the payoff line, it's like a walk in the park for Antoine Diugo, Endorser, Guillermo, Dugus Paramore, Elusive Win.
All right, 5, 3, 4, 2, 1.